Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rao Sharma from LPM School, Gola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, this is your physics lecture. So in our previous video, I have discussed about electric power. What is the definition of electric power, units and formulas related to electric power. So today I am going to solve some numerical based on electric power. So you can see a numerical on board. A 2300 volt electric heater is connected to 230 volt main supply. Calculate the current in circuit and resistance of coil. So you can draw a ray diagram. This is a simple ray diagram. Let this is heater, and this heater is connected to a supply. This supply like this, 230 volt. And in heater there is spring, and this is equal to 2300 volt. So in this question we have to find what is the value of current. First of all, we have to find what is the value of current. So as you know, the formulas for power, P equal to W upon 3. This is the basic formula of power. But in this question, work done and time is not given directly. So in this question, the power P equal to 2300 volt, and volt electric potential, the voltage of supply, it is 230 V. So the another formula for power P equal to VI, that I have discussed in our previous video. So P equal to VI. So now you can solve it. P equal to VI. So by putting value, power equal to 4300 and voltage equal to 230 volt. So I equal to P upon V. So P equal to 2300 upon volt equal to 230. So 0 cancel by 0. And this is equal to 10. So I equal to 10 ampere. This is the value of current. Current flows through circuit or through heater. This is the value of current, 10 ampere. You can, if an ammeter is applied, so the ammeter read I equal to 10 ampere. Now the second question, resistance of heater. What is the resistance of heater? Now we have to find the resistance. So for resistance, we have to use another formula in which resistance will come. So you know there is 3 formulas for power that we can use. P equal to VI, P is equal to I square upon R, or P is equal to V square upon R. So in this formula, voltage, current and power is given. but in these two resistance is given. So you can find the resistance by using this form. Okay, so by using this, you can see, as you can see, P equal to V square upon R or P is equal to I square upon R. So you can use this formula, P is equal to I square upon R. Resistance of ether coil. It means we have to find what is the resistance of coil of ether. So P is equal to 2300, I equal to 10 square and R. So R equal to 2300 upon 100. The square of 10 is 100. So 0 cancelled by 0. So R equal to 23 ohm. So this is the resistance of coil. So I hope you understood how to solve numerical based on power. Now I am going to explain another numerical based on power. There is circuit in this circuit. Two resistors are connected in parallel. That this is 4 ohm and this is 6 ohm. A battery of 12 volt is connected in a circuit. So we have to find the power of the circuit. What is the power of circuit? And second, we have to find the power dissipated to each resistor. So power supplied by battery, it means we have to find the value of P, power supplied by battery, and the power dissipated in each resistor. It means we have to find the power dissipated by each resistor, or you can use the power consumed by each resistor. So we have to solve this numerical. As you know, in this question there is two resistors, 4 ohm and 6 ohm, are connected in parallel. So first of all, we have to find what is the total resistance of this circuit. So total resistance 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, and value of R1 is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. So LCM 12 and 4 divided by 12 divided by 4, 3, and when 12 divided by 6, 2. So 5 upon 12. So Rp, what is the value of Rp? The value of Rp equal to 12 upon 5. So 2.4 ohm. This is the resultant of resistance. These two resistors behave like one resistor. You can draw another diagram like this. This is battery, 12 volt. This is 2.4. This two resistor behave the one resistor. This is a system, and this system consists two resistor. This is a system, and this system consists two resistor, and the combined resistance is equal to 2.4 ohm. Now we have to find what is the power of this circuit. So we have to find power and P1, P2. So now I am going to raise the question. So voltage equal to 12 volt and R equal to 2.4 ohm is given. We have to find P. So P equal to VI. So we can use this formula. V is given, but we can find I. How? By using Ohm's law. R equal to V upon I. So I equal to V upon R. So what is V? V equal to 12 and R equal to 2.4. So 0, 12 to the 24 and 2, 5. So I equal to 5 ampere. It means you can explain the value of I equal to 5 ampere. So V equal to 12 and I equal to 5. So V equal to 60 ohm. This is the power of your circuit. This is the power of circuit. Now we have to find the power related to each resistor. It means power supply or power consumed by each resistor R1, R2. So to solve this, as you know, these two resistors are in parallel. So voltage will be equal. V equal to 12 volt for each resistor, but current will be different. And let this is R1, we have to find P1. This is R2, we have to find power. So V is 12 and R1 equal to 4 ohm. So by the formula you know P is equal to V square upon R. P is equal to V square upon R. So P1 equal to V square upon R1. So this is very important fact. If you have to find total power, then you have to solve with total resistance. You have to work with total resistance. This is R. But when you have to find power distributed with a particular resistance, so you have to use the resistance of this particular resistor. It means P1 is equal to V square upon R1 because V is same. So V equal to 12, so 12 into 12 V square, and R1 is equal to 4. So this is equal to 3. So P1 is equal to 36 volt. This is the power. Related to resistor 4 ohm. 36 volt. Now we have to find power related to 6 ohm. So P2 is equal to V square upon R2. So what is V? V is 12 square and R2 is 6 ohm. So 6. So 12 into 12 upon 6. So R2 is 24 ohm. And this sum is 1060. Sum equal to 60 ohm. So it means your answer is right. So I hope you understand how to solve numerical based on your power and current. So you can take another numerical. So this is a simple numerical. This is a circuit. In the circuit, a battery, unknown voltage, 2 resistor, 3 ohm, resistor of resistance 3 ohm and 2 ohm, A1, ammeter 1 and A2, ammeter 2 are connected. In this question, the reading of A1, it means the reading of ammeter A1 is 1.5 ampere. So you have to find what is the reading of A2, ammeter A2. You can write ammeter A2. Okay, so in this question, reading of ammeter A1 is given and we have to find the reading of ammeter A2. So this is very simple question. You have to work on a concept, simple concept. When a battery is applied, I current is below. Right? This is I. So you convert into I1 as I2. This current is split into two components, I1 and I2. So as you know, the voltage across each resistor will be same as the voltage of battery. Potential difference across of battery is equal to the potential difference of each resistor. So by using a simple formula, E is R equal to V upon I. So V is equal to Ri. So what is R? R is 3 and I equal to 1.5. The reading of A1 is 1.5. It means I equal to 1.5 ampere. 1.5. So V is equal to 4.5 volt. This is the value of V. Or you can use this is the voltage of battery. This is voltage across this resistor, 3 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor as well as volt of battery. Now we have to find what is the value of A2 or you can say I2. So by using Ohm's law, I equal to V upon R. So I2 R2. Voltage is same. So V 4.5 and this is R2 is 2 ohm. So divide by 2. So I2 equal to when 4.5 divided by 2. So 2.25 ampere. Okay, I2 is equal to 2.25 ampere. So current flow through 3 ohm resistor is 1.5, but current flow through 2 ohm resistor will 2.25. It means the value of current is depend upon resistance. If resistance is high, then small current will flow. If resistance is low, then high current will flow. So I hope you understood how to solve this type of numerical. So in my next video, I will explain some more numericals. Thank you very much.